Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create a beautiful bloom effect in Photoshop. First, open your chosen image in Photoshop. To ensure non-destructive editing, duplicate your background layer. Simply drag the background layer to the new layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This creates a copy, allowing you to experiment freely without altering your original image. This duplicated layer is where we will build our soft, glowing bloom. Now, with your duplicated layer selected, it is time to introduce the softness. Go to the top menu, select Filter, then Blur, and finally, choose Gaussian Blur. A dialog box will appear with a radius slider. Drag this slider to the right to increase the blur. Aim for a radius of about 8 to 15 pixels, or more for high-resolution images, to create a pleasing, diffused glow around the highlights. Watch your image preview to find the perfect amount of blur. The next crucial step is to change the blend mode of your blurred layer. In the Layers panel, click the drop-down menu that currently says Normal. Experiment with Screen or Soft Light. Screen mode will significantly brighten your image, giving it a dreamy, ethereal glow. Soft Light provides a more understated and natural enhancement, subtly boosting highlights and contrast. Choose the mode that best complements the mood and aesthetic you are aiming for in your photograph. To fine-tune your bloom effect, adjust the opacity of your blurred layer. You will find the opacity slider in the Layers panel, usually set to 100% by default. Dragging it to the left will lessen the effect, making it more subtle, while moving it to the right will intensify the glow. Try values between 30 and 70%. For even greater control, add a layer mask to paint the bloom on or off specific areas, ensuring a perfectly integrated and beautiful result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.